How's it going, everyone? Today we are at the Ultimate Drifting Challenge at the NOS Event Center in San Bernardino. Got a media pass for the day. It's a bit of a smaller event than Hot Pit was a few weeks ago, if you saw that video. If you haven't, go ahead and check that out. But I'm still super excited. There's no shot list for this event, so we're free to kind of do whatever we want. We just have to give them something to show them that we were doing things, something they can use for their Instagram, all that kind of stuff. Basically, we get to do what we want to do today. We have the drivers meeting, the media meeting, 3 hours of qualifiers, a 4-hour break, and then top 16 or top 32 for 2.5 hours at like 4 o'clock. So gonna be a long day, but it's really fun. I've never been to this event or this event center for drifting. I actually used to come to this event center for music festivals and things, but not for drifting. Never seen the track. Really excited. I'll take you guys along. Drivers and media meeting done. We have qualifiers. I think practice is going right now for like 20 more minutes. Then we have qualifiers for 3 hours. This track actually looks really interesting, and the way that this event is run looks really interesting. It looks like they're doing back-to-back runs rather than, you know, doing one run, resetting, and then doing another run. It's just back-to-back. I've never seen that before. Granted, I am fairly new to the whole drifting scene, so really excited for this event. It actually looks really cool. It looks like it's gonna be pretty exciting. We have a media box in the middle of the track. Never been in one of those before, so excited for that too. A little bit nervous, but I'm sure it's going to be fine. Anyways, let's get to the qualifiers, see if I can get some cool shots, cool video, and then I'll meet up with you guys afterwards. Good. Thank you. If I get low here, we're good. Okay, not a lot of time. I went and watched the movie and got lunch. Apparently they started half an hour early, so I'm running late. Gonna go get some shots. I think we got like 2.5 hours left. I'm not exactly sure. I'm gonna hurry. Gotta go.
Same front tires on that MX-5 for the last 4 years now.
Actually missed the opening ceremony or anything. We just hit the end of qualifiers. Circle track went, pushed the tail end of qualifiers till now, so finish that, and then we've got opening ceremony, and then I think it's top 8 for both classes. So yeah, it's going well.
For the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Alright, really quick, this is the finals in first place. I'm just going to show you guys the whole thing. We're finally done. We went over maybe half an hour, but this event was fantastic. You know, with Hot Pit and Formula Drift and things, there's a lot more production in it. So there's a lot of do a run, reset, do a run, announce the winners of the run. This was just run after run after run after run, just non-stop drifting, and it was fantastic. It was a lot of fun. It was a little hard to follow, so I had the stream on my AirPods and just kind of listening to what was going on. But overall, fantastic event. I can't wait to shoot again. I think they're going to be in Apple Valley on August 1st, so if you're in Southern California and you want to check it out, definitely go check it out. Hope you guys like the photos that I got. Obviously, I haven't seen them yet. I haven't edited them yet, but hope you guys like those. Hope you guys like the video. If you like these videos, like and subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what you like and dislike. Still learning a lot about this whole YouTube thing. So that's it. I got to drive home. See you guys in the next one.